This classic Mercedes will leave you speechless. The SL280 isn't just a car, it's an era on wheels. A symbol of timeless elegance, the Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda commands attention with every smooth curve, every chrome detail, and every whisper of its vintage engine. It's not just about driving, it's about reliving history with the touch of luxury that only Mercedes could master. The metallic emerald green exterior gleams like a jewel under sunlight, capturing the soul of the 60s and 70s with a modern breath of class. Step closer and you'll see the flawless craftsmanship, chrome bumpers that still shine like mirrors, iconic Mercedes badging that speaks of prestige, and body lines so perfect they make modern supercars look rushed. This is the kind of car that stops time in a world obsessed with speed. The SL280 doesn't scream for attention, it earns it, gracefully and effortlessly. Slide into the cabin and you're transported to an era where driving was an experience, not just a routine. The ivory white steering wheel with its proud Mercedes emblem connects you to the road with elegance. The polished wood dashboard, analog gauges, and tan leather seats blend into a cockpit that feels more like a luxury lounge than a machine. Every detail is a masterclass in design. The clicks, the switches, even the smell of leather and chrome, it's all sensory art. And yet, underneath this refined beauty beats the heart of a true machine. The 2.8L inline-6 engine isn't just a power plant, it's a symphony of precision engineering, delivering a smooth, responsive drive that turns highways into runways. Whether you're cruising down Pacific Coast Highway or parked at a Sunday car meet, the 280 SL doesn't just show up, it steals the spotlight. What makes this car even more incredible is how relevant it still feels in 2025. While the world rushes into AI and electric revolutions, the 280 SL reminds us why the golden age of automobiles will never be forgotten. It's not fast by today's standards, but it's not about speed, it's about style, soul, and heritage. This car was built when Mercedes meant unstoppable craftsmanship, and the proof is in the thousands of collectors worldwide still restoring, preserving, and showcasing this mechanical icon. The Pagoda nickname, born from its unique concave hardtop roof, adds even more charm to its already magnetic presence. It's the kind of car that makes strangers pull out their phones, turns heads at every stoplight, and sparks stories from car lovers of every age. No AI can replicate the emotion that this Mercedes SL 280 brings. For car enthusiasts, collectors, or anyone who loves timeless beauty, the SL 280 is not just a vehicle, it's a legacy. You don't just drive it, you become part of its history. Whether fully restored or kept in original patina, this Mercedes stands as proof that true luxury never fades. It's an investment, a statement, and a tribute to what motoring used to be. From the iconic three-pointed star to the hand-finished details, the SL 280 isn't trying to be something it's not. It knows exactly what it is, one of the most beautiful, most iconic, and most desirable classic cars ever built. And in a world filled with noise, that silent confidence is what makes it truly legendary. If you ever get the chance to sit behind the wheel, even for a moment, you'll understand why they say, this classic Mercedes will leave you speechless. Because once you feel the craftsmanship, hear the engine purr, and witness the timeless beauty of the SL 280, there's no going back. It's not just a drive, it's a dream on four wheels. And that, right there, is why this video will go viral, because people don't just watch legends, they feel them.